How to remove Meta AI from Instagram. Meta AI on Instagram can be very distracting if we do not use it. So if we leave it enabled, it keeps up showing up on our DMs and such, which can be very annoying. So let's remove it or hide it properly step by step. So for that, we can open up Instagram, and the thing you need to know is Meta AI cannot be completely removed, but we can delete the chat, mute it, or stop it from appearing. For that, once we open up the Instagram, we can head over the DMs, the messages, and go over and find the Meta AI chat from the space right here. Once we find it up, we can long press on it and basically look out for this option called delete or archive. You can tap on it and you can just go over and confirm this up right here, and that will particularly delete that chat from your inbox. The chat is now removed from your inbox. You can just go over and do so. Or what you can do is you can just go over and even remove the Meta AI from the search. So you can tap on the spin icon at the very top and there find Meta AI. You can hold it up, and if you can remove it, you can remove it from here. Or if it's on your search bar here, you can just go over and remove the history of search from here and avoid using the Meta AI box again. Or if you want to turn off the AI suggestions, what you can do is you can go to your profile, and once you're in your profile, look out for the menu option in the top. And within your menu, we need to look out for the AI features or Meta AI option. Or you may scroll through the settings and go to what you see section, and there go to the content preferences section and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, we can just go over and turn this option off, snooze, which is snoozing the suggested post in feed. You can just go over and turn this option off. Similarly, if you find the AI features or Meta AI suggestions and prompts, you can turn that option off as well, and that should probably help you out. Also, keep your Instagram updated to the latest version to reduce the AI pop-ups, and archive the chat instead of delete if it keeps on reappearing. And that's it. Now we have removed the Meta AI from Instagram and stopped it from bothering us. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.